Welcome to my video. In this video I will show how to add Facebook profile design to avoid editing on Facebook main app. Please note there is two different versions of Facebook app is available. First is Facebook main app, which is called Facebook app for Android, and second is Facebook Lite app for Android. So I currently using Facebook main app version 212.0.0.28.110. First of all, open the app and log in, then open the account, then touch on profile photo once, and then some option will be come on the screen. Scroll down and touch on add design option. Again scroll down and select from these 6 designs. Then touch on save, and also there is messages there. A design on your profile picture helps to discourage other people from taking screenshot. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos, keep watching my YouTube channel, and this video has been created for informational and learning purpose only. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, share also. Our videos digital putia nam pikkai putia arampam.